What up, YouTube? Back with another video. God damn, my mirror is dirty as hell. But fuck, I forgot my shit don't even fucking work. Oh my god. Alright, well, what to do, y'all? Back with another POV, man. Just recently hit 300 subs, man. Happy as hell to my last video on like just letting y'all know, like, to be successful, like, just put your mind to it. You can do it. I'm so happy that video blew up. Got like 600, I think, going on 700 views. It's going crazy right now, so if y'all want me to see that video, I'll put the link in the description in that one too. But yeah, today we just gonna be doing a nice POV. It's 11 degrees outside. It's Christmas. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas today, y'all, man. But today I'm on the grind while everybody's celebrating Christmas. I mean, I got a few like things and stuff like that, but it wasn't nothing too crazy. You know how it go being grown now. But yeah, hope everybody have a good Christmas. Let me give y'all some light on the speedometer. Y'all can see shit. Damn, I almost spun out my dumb ass. There y'all go. Hope everybody have a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody doing good. Hope everybody feeling well. Not gonna lie, I low-key just want to do this video just to, you know, like, keep y'all motivated, keep y'all heads up. You know, like, I got a lot of good things coming for this car, so y'all gonna, I hope y'all stay on my journey to this car too. I'm gonna put my seat up so y'all can, like, actually, like, see the road. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure y'all go through this whole journey with me. If y'all really fuck with me, hit that like button, hit that sub button, share, tell y'all friends, everything. But yeah, today I low-key just wanted to do this video, like, just to, like, reality check everybody, you know what I'm saying? Because I recently was just talking to my friend Brandon. Like, you know, he cool, he my dog and everything. But like, I'm starting to see, like, the way he's acting. Oh, that's a V6. That shit look decent though. I like it. But I recently talked to my homie Brandon, man, and he kind of like, I don't want to say like you ever like realize your situation not that bad until like you like see somebody else's stuff. It was basically like that. So like, I was like talking to him, and he was like telling me about like some personal stuff in his life, and I'm like, damn, man, like, I mean, like, you got this going on, and you still going. Like, I give you props for that, bro, because if it was me, I would have broke down in tears. I wouldn't know what to do. So like, seeing that, you know, like, he's still going, like, during, like, even though like there's a lot of shit going on in his life, like, knowing that he's still going, still pushing, it's like thriving me through the same thing for y'all. Like, I want to take a little break from YouTube. I ain't gonna lie. Like, yesterday I really wasn't feeling like uploading. I was feeling kind of sick, but Brandon's like, hey bro, like, you know, your shit blowing up. Like, bro, like, upload a video. Like, you know what I'm saying? Show your new subscribers that you care. Like, this and that. And like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, I don't know. Like, Christmas, it don't feel like Christmas to me. Like, I'm not in that mindset to where I should be celebrating. Like, I'm still grinding. Like, you know, like, I'm still trying to get to the next level. Like, everybody around me celebrating like this was a good year. This woo, like, bro, we still in the same place we was last year. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just don't sit right with me, because like, I'm that type of like nigga that like, when I put my mind something to it, bro, I'm getting to that shit. I'm getting it done. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause I want to live rich so bad. I want to live prosperous so bad, but in order to get there, you gotta sacrifice. You gotta work. You gotta grind. So me, like, I don't know, like, it's like, I'm not saying that Christmas, like, it, like, because I didn't get nothing, like, you know, I'm feeling the type of way. It's not that. It's just like, I'm not in a place where I'm at to where I'm comfortable with being happy, like, with like Christmas. Like, it's not that it's bad. It's not that like it was a bad year or this, that. Like, no, it's just like, for me, for my goals, I wanted to accomplish more by the end of this month. But I did. I accomplished a lot, you know. Like, I just started doing this YouTube stuff like 3 months ago, from since I was a kid doing it. And it's going really well. Like, you know, like, I'm growing my community on all my platforms. My Instagram's finna hit 2K. My TikTok's finna hit 4K. Like, I'm constantly going up the ladder, and I love it. Like, I really do. But like, it's still like a reality check though. Like, you know, like, just because you got all this going on, you know, the people around you, they still need you, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I haven't really talked to Brandon and them like that. Like, I just been focused on me, and that's what I want to do. But, you know, I got people that's looking up to me, people that's like comes to me for guidance, like, you know. So me being that guy of making sure everybody's good, and then when I'm not around, everybody's starting to break down, like, it kind of hurted me. Like, you know, a friend to call me or text me, and, you know, like, so it's just hard, man. You know, like trying to do your dreams while trying to make sure the people around you is good at the same time. It's just a really hard balance, but I mean, I'm gonna find my balance with it and everything like that. But hey, I ain't gonna stress about it. It ain't that deep. But I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. I know y'all probably wanted to hear the exhaust, but I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, I'm not. I am not speeding. I have no tires. I'm gonna step out and show y'all my tires though, because I have no tires. Like they're fucking bad. I ain't gonna lie. Like, and they're not even snow. They're not even winter tires. They're fucking summer tires, and they're bald. And I'm in the snow, so that's not good. And this mirror's dirty as fuck. I definitely need to clean this shit. It's just disgusting. It's all you see on the camera. What the fuck is that? Oh, fuck no. That's gonna be a thumbnail though. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put the thing as POV cutting up in traffic with a souped up Honda. Clickbait as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna clickbait y'all. No cap. I never clickbaited in my life, but we gonna clickbait today. But alright. Toyota and the Honda shit is going slow as fuck. If this a cop behind me, he not catching me. My tires are not. Race speed bump, nigga. Race speed bump, nigga. Truck gone. Oh, he cutting up forever. And that Honda nigga was laughing, bro. You're in a fucking Honda. Like, I would cap that weak shit, nigga. Just 'cause you put a spoiler on it don't mean shit. Hell no. But nah, like those, bro, I'm telling you, bro, people hate niggas in Chargers, bro. They hate niggas in Chargers, bro. That shit not tinted. Bro fat as fuck. He couldn't even fit in the fucking he couldn't even fit. Nigga couldn't even fit inside the Honda, bro. That shit is funny as hell. But nah, like, I'm in the video because I'm getting close to my location. Don't want, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know who be watching my shit, or you know what I'm saying? But we got that Glock doogie on us, all you need to know. Glock. But yeah. Hope everybody enjoys their Christmas, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little something though before y'all go. Oh shit! Yep, negative. That's it for today, boys. But yeah, all right, y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all be smooth. Don't do what I do, cause I almost crashed this bitch, but I know how to control my car. But y'all be safe, man. Hope y'all enjoy y'all Merry Christmas and peace.